Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will be looking into post requests and we will look into the different type of validation we can do. Let's go back to the API documentation we have. Click on create booking. So create booking is for a post type, okay? And you have to pass the different parameters, or you can say the key value pairs in the form of JSON through the body itself. So if you see the request body, it can consist of the first name, last name, total price, deposit paid, check-in, checkout, and additional needs. Okay, so let's pick this URI and go back to our Postman, add a request. Let's say post. Okay, and it's a type post. Let's enter the URI. Okay, we have to pass the body. It would be JSON format. Okay, and now let's pick the body from here. So let me copy this example which they have given on their website. Okay, let me enter here, and you can select all and use the beautify feature. So it is going to format your JSON. Suppose there is extra spacing or the JSON is not formatted correctly, so it will format for you. So let's click on send. Okay, this booking is created. 286 is the booking ID, if you see. Okay, now let's try to do some validation, make some changes here. Okay, let's see if suppose I don't pass the total price, what happens? Whether the server is going to handle this or going to give me some error, or even this is not handled correctly. So let me remove this, click on send. So there is an internal server for this. There should be a error message which should correctly show me what type of issue I have with my payload. Okay, let's say this total price, or let me say, let me take this example, deposit pay. It's a Boolean type, right? Instead of Boolean, suppose if I want to give any integer number. Okay, let's see if server is going to handle this type of request. It did. Okay, and by default it changed the behavior to true. Now you need to get this information from your developer. Okay, how they are handling this. Suppose any garbage value is provided, what type of default value they are going to set it, or they are going to show any kind of error. Okay, so let me put this back here, and let's say if suppose here I pass any string. Let's see what type of error it is going to show. Let me put strings. Okay. Okay, now you see that total price, it is showing null. Okay, so it was a garbage value, it was not a integer value, and that's why they are showing it as null. But again, you need to check with your developer how they are handling it. Suppose any garbage value is provided, then what type of error message or how they are going to handle it. So with that expectation, you are going to test this. So let me change this back to 111. Okay, now let me create a booking with the current date, that is 24th. Okay, so 22. Let me put this as 12, and this is 20. And my stay is going to be till 30th. Let me click on send. See that it is this booking is created with the status code 200. Now let's say that if I provide a incorrect checkout date, suppose this checkout is before check-in. Let's say if I change this month to 11, okay, so it cannot be. But let's see if they have handled this type of validation. So let's say, so no, they did not. Okay, so these are some of the issues which you can report back to your developer, stating that this validation is not handled correctly. So suppose think in this way that on a website, someone is trying to pick checkout data as the past date, right? So we should not be allowing those type of behavior on websites. So this is it. Okay, thanks for watching this video.